Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video, kind of a year-end little goodbye video and tell you guys how much I love you and I wish that we were in class. I wish I could give you a high five at the door and I probably won't be able to do that again. I may have to do like elbow bumps or like a foot tap or something. So you'll have to tell me what you think I should do with that because it kind of breaks my heart that I may not be able to do that anymore and to make those connections with you guys. But I want you to know that you are amazing, you're enough, you're worth it, and you have everything you need to be successful. And I just want you guys to take that going forward and know that you can overcome any obstacles and challenges that come your way. Sometimes it's going to be harder than others, and I'm glad we ended on the hero's journey. And with these trials and with this COVID stuff, I mean, this is all unexpected. None of us were prepared for this, but we have definitely grown and we've overcome a lot of those trials and obstacles in dealing with this. And yeah, it's still hard. It's still unknown. We don't know exactly what's going to be happening with next school year, with the summer, if our sports, everything's going to be opening up, and those are hard things. But what I want you guys to do is to have hope. All right, have hope and know that you're not alone and that there are people who love you and are here for you. So have hope. I love you guys. I miss you. Thank you for making Shoreline a great place to be and making this school year amazing. And I love you guys. Please don't be strangers once we are able to visit. Okay, take care. And if there's anything that you need, please reach out to me. My email is going to be the same. So love you guys. Bye.